I knew at 9 months pregnant that I needed our house to be refreshed so that it would function for a family of 4. And I knew the second that I met TK. Is that what you go by? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Courtney, you can call me
Courtney. I knew the second that I met Courtney that she was the right person from the job. We instantly connected not only with our design aesthetic, but our personality as well. And honestly, from the second that she walked in to the very last second that she left our house, the experience was so great. And it was really exactly what we were looking for. The contractors, they were great too. It was so nice that Courtney kind of went and was able to do that for us and set up and schedule and hire them on her own. We did want something that was a little more full service. We didn't want to have to go and find the people to do the floors and the cabinetry and the painting. So that was definitely a perk that Courtney was offering, and it made this painless and seamless in terms of getting everything that we wanted in a timely manner. Yeah, highly recommend. Everything was great communication. If there was an issue that, came up, we would contact Courtney immediately, and I would say within, 12 to 24 hours, she was on it. She was getting us the feedback we needed. She was fixing or giving us a solution. And so honestly, I cannot recommend TK Designs enough.